tired of repetitive latte arts? It takes way too much time and effort. EdiBot's AI-powered food printing in your hand. Designed to help you stand out, whether you're growing a food business or making moments at home. In one hand, swipe it. EdiBot prints colorful, high-res 1200 dpi design, faster and easier than traditional latte arts. More creative, more engagement. Not only for business, EdiBot could also print your love anywhere. AI design in one tap, turning ideas into reality. Where AI meets heart. EdiBot, create edible magic. Edible, CMYK Inc., compliant with food safety standards. Safe for kids, customers, and all culinary creations. iKoffy, for business that shines, for moments that matter.